In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize or rescale an AutoCAD drawing effectively. Working efficiently with AutoCAD requires a good grasp of handling scale, especially when the drawing is not at a 1:1 scale ratio. You might find yourself needing to work with a drawing that requires scaling either up or down, depending on your specifications. This might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it's a straightforward process. First, let's start by identifying an object or a line within your drawing that you are certain about its real-world length. This reference is crucial because it will guide the scaling operation. It acts as a benchmark, allowing you to maintain accuracy throughout the process. Once you have identified your reference object or line, initiate the scaling command in AutoCAD by typing SC, or simply type scale and press enter. This command sets the stage for you to choose which objects you want to include in your scaling operation, so be sure to select all relevant elements carefully. It's important to highlight everything you intend to resize at once to maintain the drawing's coherence and uniformity. After confirming your selection, the next step is to specify the first point of the scaling base, commonly referred to as the base point. This point is illustrative of where the scaling process begins. Click anywhere on your drawing where you feel the scaling should initiate. Choosing a logical point here will help maintain ease of control during the scaling process. Next, activate reference scaling by typing the letter R and hitting enter. This is where the magic happens. Referencing Cloud Just R allows you to scale the objects based on the known length of your reference line or object, providing an accurate transformation. At this point, you have two options for setting the reference length. You can either click once at the start of your reference object and a second time at the end. This method is particularly useful if you're unsure of the exact measurement, but still want to maintain proportional accuracy. Alternatively, if you know the exact length of the reference, you can type it in directly. This ensures precision and can speed up the process if measurements are readily available. To wrap up, finalize your base point by either entering the desired new length value or clicking once more using your mouse cursor to indicate the location of the second scaling point. If the reference length was entered accurately, following it up with the new length maintains the proportionate transformation across selected objects. This step-by-step approach allows for a seamless scaling operation, ensuring your drawing maintains its integrity and accuracy when adjusted. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try scaling with different reference objects to enhance your proficiency. Happy drafting!